everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. Today is the 8th day of Sharda Navratri 2022. Ukraine to victory in the Donbass. Ukrainian Air Force carried out 29 attacks in 24 hours. For Safari, now the Garcia zone will be buzzing with tourists. NTCA's approval has been received. Arshdeep Singh gave made poor record. David Miller, Quinton D. Knock beat Babar Rizwan. Now news in details. This year, 3 October is the Ashtami date of Sharda Navratri. The worship of 9 form of Ma Durga in Navratri is considered very special. Ma Mahagauri, the 8th form of Ma Mahagauri, is worshipped on the 8th day of Navratri. Ma Mahagauri is considered a form of Mother Parvati. It's a religious belief that by worship Mahagauri with a sincere heart on Ashtami Tithi, all the wishes of the devotees are fulfilled and happiness come in life. On this day, during Kanya Pujan, after offering a feast of their choice to 9 girls, definitely offer any red colored item of their need. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will reach Jammu and Kashmir on Monday evening on a 3-day visit. He will give many gifts to development during his tour. After reaching Jammu, there is a program to meet the delegation of civil society, businessmen and various organizations at Raj Bhavan. Next day on October 4, he will address a rally at Rajouri bus stand after bowing his head in the court of Ma Vishnu. There may be also been an announcement of giving scheduled tribute status to be held in Rajouri. After returning from there, he will meet selected BJP leader at the convention center in Jammu. They will leave for Srinagar in evening itself. On October 5, he will address a rally at the Bharmula Sports Stadium. After the death of 26 people in a tractor trolley accident in Kanpur on Saturday, the administration has become strict. About 50 people were aboard the tractor trolley that had crashed in Kanpur, and after this fact come to light, the government had decided to take action. Now a fine of rupees 10,000 will be charged for carrying passenger from tractor trolley, dump and dumper in the state. For this, a special campaign of 10 days has also been started from Sunday itself. After the death of many people in the tractor trolley accident in Lucknow, Lakhimpur, Kanpur, the traffic department lost its sleep on the strictness of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, and ADG Traffic Anupam Kulshrestha issued its order. Now some international news. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky is enthusiastic by the liberation of Lyman and Ukraine's eastern region of Donetsk province from Russian occupation. Describing Lyman as the most important strategic front in the Donbass East, Zelensky said, "The escape of the Russian troops from here shows that the Russian army hold on entire Donbass has weakened. Here Ukraine is on the winning side." However, Russian Defense Minister spokesperson Igor Konashkov said that the Russian army has withdrawn from the Lyman as a strategy. Soldiers posted here have been sent to other fronts. And the next side, British King Charles will not attend the global leaders climate change meeting to be held in Egypt next month. A source close to him said the new Maharaj is stepping back from his old promotional role. Buckingham Palace and sought advice from the British government regarding the United Nations COP27. According to the news of the Sunday, Prime Minister Liz Truss asked Charles not to go to Egypt, deliver speech at a meeting. Source said the meeting was held in a cordial atmosphere and there was no despite in it. We'll be back after a short break.
हमारा इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा।
Welcome back to the Bharat. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about some major news of Uttarakhand. The new tourism zone of Corbett Park, Garcia, was launched on 15 November 2022. The Garcia zone was closed after 1.5 years due to non-acceptance from National Tiger Conservation Authority. The movement of tourists will resume in the Garcia zone of Corbett Tiger Reserve Park. It has got the approval of National Tiger Conservation Authority. Now this zone will be open for tourists in the tourist season. The new tourism zone of Corbett Park, Garcia, was launched on 15 November 2020. The Gazia zone was closed after 1.5 years due to non-acceptance from NTCA. Tourism businessmen were agitating to open the zone. Corbett Park Deputy Director Neeraj Kumar Sharma said that the new permissions has been given to Gazia zone by NTCA. There was a strong earthquake in Uttarkashi district headquarters and the surrounding area on Sunday morning. The earthquake was so strong that the people came out of their homes. On Sunday morning, people were busy with their daily activities as usual. That meanwhile, at 10:43 a.m., the earthquake struck. The magnitude of the earthquake was measured at 2.5 on the Richter scale. According to information received from the District Disaster Management Center, the epicenter of the earthquake was there was a strong earthquake in the Uttarkashi district headquarters and surrounding area on Sunday morning. The earthquake was so strong that people came out of their homes. On the Sunday morning, people were busy with their daily activities as usual. That meanwhile, at 10:43 a.m., the earthquake struck. The magnitude of the earthquake was measured at 2.5 on the Richter scale. According to the information received from the District Disaster Management Center, the epicenter of the earthquake was 5 km below the ground in the forest of village Nalt in the Bhadat range. Tehsildar Bharkot Pushpal Singh Aswal said that no tremors were felt in the Tehsil Bharkot Purola Mori area. Vikram Vedha, the remark of South adorned with stars like Hrithik Roshan and Saif Ali Khan, was also seen gathering pace in Sunday. The film, which earned around 23 crore in the first 2 days, collected rupees 14.5 crore on Sunday, according to the initial figure. After this, the total earning of the film in 3 days is being said to be rupees 37.59 crores. Let us tell you that the Vikram Vedha has been included in the popular film of this year, but this movie, prepared with a budget of 175 crore, has disappointed in terms of collection. The second T20 between India and South Africa was high scoring. Both the teams together scored 458 runs in 40 overs. Batting first, India scored 237 runs for the loss of 3 wickets in 20 overs. In reply, South Africa's team could score 221 runs, losing 3 wickets in 20 overs. Many records were made and broken in this match. Rohit Sharma, KL Rahul, Suryakumar Yadav made record in the first innings. Then while chasing the runs, South African players also made a flurry of records. This is only the second time in T20 internationals that a batsman has remained unbeaten on a century while chasing run and his team has lost. Before Millers, this happened with KL Rahul in 2016. That's all for today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.